Hi, I'm Travis with Parts for Garage Doors. I'm standing outside of our parts store in Houston. We've got all the parts that you could need. When you come to our parts store, our staff is here to help you out in any way that they can. All of them have the experience out in the field, so they know how to make repairs. They know how to give you the advice and information that you need to get your project done safely. A lot of our customers come because they have a broken torsion spring. We are experts in helping our customers get the correct spring that they need. We've got everything in stock for the standard garage door spring for a residential door. We also have some springs for commercial door. If we don't have it, we can order it and usually have it within 24 hours. We've got all the hardware that goes on a garage door, everything you could possibly need from hinges to rollers, bearing plates, all sizes of cables for different heights of garage doors. You can see the cable drums behind me. We have different sizes for different heights of garage doors. We've got high lift drums for doors that go more straight up in the air. We've got garage door openers and opener parts and keypads. We've got all the common repair parts that you would need for a garage door opener. These are your commercial ribbed panels. They come 2 feet tall and 10 feet wide or 12 feet wide. We can get other dimensions upon request. This is all of our track and struts, weather stripping. Torsion springs are a big seller. People come in, they're not really sure what they need. We can talk you through it, make sure you get the correct size for your garage door. We'd like to invite you to come visit us today. We'll see you when you get here.